We do a great job with all of the materials that we have at our disposal to make every kid's dream art project come true. And that's what I love about the Penelope Fox Art Studio. The enthusiasm of kids, they're really interested in art, so it's a lot of fun to work with them and see how much you can teach through art.
You get to create stuff, and it's just like a good memory, and I just love art. It's my favorite thing in the world.
I like how we have real freedom of creativity in whatever we want to do.
We start with themes, and we like to do projects that take maybe the whole week, if not definitely 4 days, because it shows the campers the process.
The first week and the last week both used a technique called ombre. The next week we did all about prehistoric times. Week 3, we did texture, printmaking. We had 3D, what's near us, what's far away. Our last week is surrealism, and the floodgates of imagination just opened. One thing I also like to do is encourage self-esteem. I found that when one camper shows their art and explains it, it sets the tone.
I want them to feel good coming in here, and I do love seeing them make friends.
Well, I like meeting new friends, and there's a lot of friends that I can meet here. I came back because everybody was nice, and I could meet new people.
Penelope Fox Studios is awesome!
Penelope Fox Art Studios!